Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. This is Raymond, and I am that DIY guy. This evening, we're going to make this delicious tuna salad. So get your notepad. This is something simple, easy to do, and all the ingredients are very easy to find anywhere. Ready? Let's get started. Welcome back. This evening, we're going to make a delicious tuna pasta salad. I already have my noodles boiling in a pot of water with a little bit of salt and olive oil. While that is going on, we're going to go ahead and do the rest of our ingredients. I had some peas that I had steamed earlier, and I'm going to add them to my mixing bowl. I have 4 boiled eggs diced up. Whites only, not the yolk, not the yellow. So, diced white eggs. I have 1 medium tomato, diced about 2-centimeter pieces. And we need to add some onion. So let's go ahead and dice a half of a large onion. I like to cheat a little bit here as I'm dicing my onion. Pasta's boiling nicely. All right, so we have a half an onion. So let's go ahead and bring that over here. Then we're going to need our tuna. I'd like to buy tuna in water, all right? And I don't just drain it, I squeeze the juice out. So you see this tuna is nice and dry. Now it's time to make our dressing. All of these things are going to go really, really well. Toss them around. It's already looking delicious without the pasta. Check our pasta. We're cooking our noodles al dente. Al dente means not too firm and not too soft. You don't want them squishy, but you don't want them crunchy either. So let's set that off to the side for a moment. And let's start working on our dressing. The first thing we're going to need is mayonnaise. Not sweet mayonnaise, regular mayonnaise. And of course, before we start mixing, time to roll up those sleeves. Next, we're going to add some honey. About a tablespoon, tablespoon and a half. Not a whole lot, not very little. Then we're going to use some parsley. A good pinch of parsley. Then we're going to use a little bit of oregano. And again, just a good pinch. You really have to think it's about a teaspoon of each. Then we all know Raymond loves his black pepper. I already have the oregano. Get our whisk here. Get this spoon out of the way. Check our noodles again. Let me just get one if I can. Okay, those are still a little bit too hard. So let's go ahead and mix this dressing up. Let's set that over on the cutting board so we don't make a mess. I'm going to go ahead and add this to our other ingredients and get that out of the way. And now we have those things out of the way. Go ahead and mix this up. You may decide you want to add more mayonnaise. I think I may. Actually, I think I will. So I haven't added my pasta yet. When it sits in the salad, it's going to drink some of the moisture. So if your salad is too dry at the beginning, it will definitely be too dry the next day. That looks like that might be enough. While we are waiting for our pasta, we're going to go ahead and prepare the rest of my meal. Check our pasta. It looks like it's getting close. Hot, hot, hot. Perfect. So I have a strainer inside this pan here. Go ahead and drain the pasta. Shake off any extra water. And I'm going to squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice on the noodles themselves. All right, give it a shake. And let that cool a little bit. Just a little before we get going. All right, while that steak is cooking, we're going to go ahead and mix our salad. Go ahead and mix our noodles in our salad. Just dump them in there. Mix that all up nice and good with your noodles. That's looking good. This is our pasta salad. Stick around and enjoy finishing the steak recipe. Let's go ahead and serve up some of that pasta salad in a dish. There you go. Delicious. There you go. A delicious, healthy, nutritious meal made in just a few minutes. Remember, DIY. You know what's in it. Don't forget. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Until next time, have a wonderful evening. Zatien.